Arabic webinars. This is a practice of small sounds with Dummah and Dummah-Waaw. What we will practice? We will practice small sounds with Dummah and Dummah-Waaw. Pay attention to the difference in the length of Dummah, which is 1 length long, and Dummah-Waaw, which is 2 lengths long. Double length sounds will be in orange. Pay attention to the heavy tafkhim letters in red. Practice 1.
قولوا سوقي دودة نور
Practice 2.
طوبى هود زورا كوني
Practice 3.
روح عود نوح صوفي
Practice 4.
مو بو وو فو ثو ذو
Practice 5.
ظو زو سو تو do
Practice 6.
ru nu lu bu you
Practice 7.
shu ju ku qu khu ru
Practice 8.
ru hu u
Practice 9.
bu su du mu shu ru ku vu shu fu hu bu
Conclusion. We have practiced small sounds with Dummah and Dummah-Waaw.